One of the most exciting parts of teaching is giving out assessments to our learners. Through assessments, we will be able to determine whether learning took place. However, creating assessments can be taxing, let alone constructing reliable and valid test items. Now, when we create these quality tests items, we don't want to put them to waste or forget about them by the next semester. As much as possible, we would like to keep them in an item bank. In this video, I will briefly share with you how we can create an item bank in Google Forms without having to download an add-on or third-party application. First, open your browser and type in gmail.com. Then press enter. For login details, type in your official USTP email address. Then, type in your password and press enter. It is highly encouraged that you use your official email account so you can make use of its unlimited data storage. Then, you click the applications icon beside your profile thumbnail. Then look for Forms or the purple document icon to open the Google Forms homepage. Once the Google Forms homepage have fully loaded, click on Blank Quiz to open an editable form. Name the form as how you would like to name your item bank. This is the form where you will be encoding all of your questions, which you will just select from later on should you want to create your quizzes. Then you may start adding an item and proceed with encoding your questions and answer options. If you have encoded your items in a word processor such as Microsoft Word, you can just copy the questions and choices from there and paste them in the form. The good thing about this is you can store as many questions as you can. Once you have encoded or pasted the questions and choices, you may assign the points right away and toggle required. This will be convenient for you later on when you import your questions. If you would like to create another bank, you can repeat the process for another category or for another course or subject. Now it's time to make the quiz. Open a blank quiz template. Name your quiz and encode your instructions. On the first item, click the import icon just below the add icon. Then, on the pop-up menu, select the item bank you made. Then, click Select. This time, the roster of questions from the item bank should appear on a side menu. Click on the questions you'd like to include in a quiz. Then, click Import Questions. Should you like to pick questions from another form, just click the Add Item icon and click the Import icon again to reselect another item bank. Repeat the process until you've already made your desired quiz. Before you save the quiz, you may also adjust the points, the shuffle settings, or sections. Once you've set everything, your quiz is set and ready for distribution. That's it for creating item banks using Google Forms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.